All right, so you should be able to see the parking lights blink, and then they still have a little bit of orange hue in there, so the double filament bulbs are working. Then you can see I got the high beams on, well, the headlights on, sorry about that. And then I got the spotlight working. So I think that turned out pretty damn good, if you ask me. But it was kind of a pain to get that spotlight to work. And it wasn't the wiring part of it that sucked. It was, let me see if I can get in here. This guy right here, this little gasket, took me a little bit. The old one was just so bad, I ended up having to push it out of there because it just disintegrated when I touched the thing. But anyways, that's that. So I think that looks pretty good.